Hey, are you leaving me again? You promised me you're not working today. You said I'm probably not working, but now you're working.
It looks like you're gonna have something, but I didn't know until I know.
Oh, it breaks my heart. So now what are you gonna eat? Oh, let me do that. Allah, there's no meat with this love. I forgot about that. Hon, I forgot about that, darling.
I told you yesterday.
Huh?
I told you yesterday you didn't eat.
Allah, did I eat last night? I didn't, right?
No.
Oh, such a bad one. Finally, he's eating the one that I cook. Finally, he's eating it. And he's having the seafood salad also I made with him. Hey, I'm not cutting the grass today again, love.
No, I would not.
I would not. So, let's go to the table para makakain si Mr. Lalayas siya. Hindi na ako naman maligo ako mga loves. Kasi ang baho na ni Inday. Ay, nabaho na ang katulong ni Tame. No? Baho na. Baho na ang katulong. Perting, bahuan na yun. Hindi na yun makaya sa power. Kailangan ko nang mag-ano kasi hindi na kaya. Your katulong is very mabaho na, love. Thank you na, ha?
You're I'm a Bahong. I don't know what you're talking about ever.
Mabaho. I'm stinky. You're kissing me? No, you're mabaho too. Baho. Do you want coffee, love?
No.
Water? Where is your glass? He's going to work, man. Sabi pa niya, I'm not working. And then suddenly, he's working.
Something. I was waiting to hear.
Nako. What is he doing? Tingnan niyo asawa ko. How was your $15 yesterday? Is it enough?
That'd be enough. That's what I thought. But $9 with the
$9 with the...
for the grapes and the ginger.
So you bought the thing of the $15 I give you for allowance for the ginger. Today you don't have any allowance, okay?
Okay.
No allowance for today.
Starved to death.
We have to pay the house first before allowance.
I just starved. It's okay.
You starve?
Yeah, all right.
I thought you told me you never starve.
If I'm dying of thirst, I need water. I guess I'll just starve.
I'm sorry. So let me. Okay, hold on. I have few dollars here. So I have few dollars here. Here you can have it. Okay. We are struggling, my loves. We don't have any more money. We are poor.
The egg yarn. This is good for a bottle of water and a slice of pizza. But you can keep the 5. You can keep this.
You can have that.
You can keep that much. I keep that much.
Have that. That's the only thing I can give you for now. I have to go to the bank. Hey, give me back my money. Come on. I forgot. I don't have any more. Okay, this is mine. Bahala ka da sa imo dong. I don't really care dong. You want envelope? Envelope. Because sa kanya wala na akong pera. May tago pala siya.
220.
Oh, may tinatago pala ikaw diyan dong. Sus, mahilig talaga itong magtago-tago ng pera.
You know they're like some 5s, 10s, whatever.
Okay, give it. You can have it. I'm just joking. So, may tinatago pala itong pera. Where is the other hidden place? You have to let me know. Just in case I need underwear. What are you looking for? Oh, where the heck is it? Sabi pa niya, ibalik daw niya. May tinatago pala daw siya. Ang dami palang mga hidden storage itong asawa ko, no? Mahilig talaga yan siya magtago-tago. Diba? Mukhang pera si Inday Mirian! Mukhang pera. Diyan ka rin, kinuha ko yung bigay ko sa kanya doon. Kasi mukha akong pera. Kailangan ko ng maraming pera, dong. I need more money, dong. Dong. Dong Tame. I need more money. No money, no honey. Diba? Mukhang pera. Mga Pilipina talaga. Naghanap ng afam. Pera lang ang hanap. Pera lang talaga yung hanap ng mga Pilipina. Grabe. Nakaahon sa hirap. Ang swerte-swerte ko. Nakaahon sa hirap si Inday Marian. Are you bringing that?
No.
Oh. Sabi niya, alis na daw siya. So sabi ko, bilisan mo dong kasi nagutom na ako dong. Ayaw kong kumain, nandito ka dong. Kasi gusto kong kumain, ako lang mag-isa. Nagutom ako mga loves. Ito na lang yung kanin ko. Loko. Diba? And then, meron tayong sabaw. Yun lang yung sabaw ng ating kainin. Maligo ako mamaya na mga loves, no? Mamaya na tayo maligo, day. Balag, baho, day. Baho si Inday, Mary, Anday. So, kain na naman tayo. Matapos ko na lang ito, hindi pa nakakain si Mister. I think bukas kakain daw siya nito. Sabi ko, adoy dong. Mahotdan jud gani dong. Kay kusog kay kumukaog sabaw og gulay. Kusog kay kumukaon mga loves. Ay kanang parang gusto ko talagang kumain ng gulay. As in. Yung mga ganito, yung mga Filipino food. Nah, basta talaga Filipino food mga loves. Tignan nga natin kung ilan pa bang karne dito, be. Baka wala na yung natira kang dudong tami. Ay, meron pa. So, wag natin kainin lahat ng karne, day. Kay ulit na ko, day, ani. So, yun. So, umalis na dudong tami dong, day, mga day. Umalis na siya. Sabi ko nga, dong, gutom na gigay ko. Kasi kung kakain ako, kumain man siya kanina mga loves, no? Nagkain siya. Pasta, at saka seafood salad. At saka ano-ano pa, kahit anik-anik pa. So, alam nyo na, kapag kakain ako, and then, nandito siya, para man akong buang, day. Mag-guilty man ako, day. Kahit kumakain na siya, day, magigilty man ako, day. Lalo na kapag patungo sa trabaho, day. Mag-guilty mas Inday Marian. Naisip ko ba ako dito kain-kain na sa bahay, hayahay kayong buhay. Siya doon, lakaw-lakaw, trabaho-trabaho, ning kamot, makakaon yung asawa. Naning yung asawa ko mga loves para lang makakain ako noon ng suhusto. No? So kaya, kapag kakain ako mga ganito, hindi kasi, binilan ko siya. No? Bukas, day. Bukas nito, day. Makakain siya nito, day. So, yung cabbage pa naman, paborito din yan yung cabbage. So, babayaan natin. Hindi natin kainin lahat ng cabbage, day. Kasi, pwede na akong ulita, day. Microwave talaga, day. Ayaw ko ng microwave sana, day. Pero madalian. Kapag gutom na, wala ng oras, day. Microwave mo na, day. Madali lang, day. Kain tayo, day. Ito yung ganap namin kanina. Akala ko late na kami sa among appointment. Si Tami naglalaro pas laptop. Uy, meron daw siyang hinahanap. Kaloka naman ito. At ito yung pusa namin din nakakaloka din. Disturbo din, no? Tignan nyo lang yan siya. Tignan nyo.
Really helps.
Oh my god, this is cute, honey. If you look at him behind him, his body fluff is in your shoulder. It is the cutest thing. Look at that. He loves you so much, honey. He wants you to hug his butt. You're not happy. So yun, nauna na ako sa sasakyan. Kaso, kahintay ko, wala pa rin siya. So finally, umabot na siya, no? Umabot. Teka muna. Meron akong bra. Meron akong panty. Thanks na. Kasi paminsan, you know, hanggang ngayon, dala-dala ko pa rin yun. Yung nakapunta ako ng elementary school na walang panty. So hanggang ngayon, kailangan kong isipin kung meron akong panty at bra. Yun, simple. Han. Kinakabahan na ako dito mga love sa aming appointment, no? Kasi ang puntahan namin naman tax, no? So ngayon, ito na yung final sa isang taon. 2022 daw yung anuhin namin ngayon. So yun mga loves, kinakabahan ako. Nangingugmo tuloy ako. Yung ilong ko baka nangangati sa kaba. Apektado ang aking ilong mga darling. Habang nagdadrive si Mr. patungo sa kung sino yung nag-file sa aming tax mga loves, ako naman dito napaisip talaga ako, ano kaya mangyayari? Magkaano kaya yung ano namin bayaran? Magkaano kaya yung penalty? So, takot ako at saka also kung anong gagawin namin. So, andito na kami, no? At yun, tapos na finally. Mamatay kami mga loves sa bayarin. Oh, gee. Grabe yung babayarin. I can't handle it. This is the year that I...
Yes. That's
And plus
That's
you.
the issue
This
right
is both of us?
yes.
So at least it's both of us.
Right.
It's not like you 15, I am 15.
It's bizarre.
Oh my God. Alam niyo mga loves, it's big amount. Oh my God. Discuss natin yan mamaya. This is what
Yeah,
happened.
millions and millions.
You have to pay tax, darling. And then this government, and ito kasi mga loves, ang trabaho ni Tami, hindi kinukuha na ng tax. Plus, yung akin naman is hindi kinuha na ng tax. Kasi alam nyo na, vlogger, hindi automatic yung tax. Bigay lang sila ng bigay ng pera. And then, ikaw na yung mamoblema sa ting bayad ng tax. So, ngayon, ito yung 2022 mga loves. Meron pa kaming 2023 na tax. So, it's gonna be another. It's gonna be like, oh my goodness. I-share ko to sa inyo kasi here sa US, you cannot really cheat the government, or well, there's people that do cheat, but
A lot of people cheat you.
a lot of people don't cheat. Pero kami ni Tami, it's really scary when you cheat because you will be like in
I
trouble.
just don't want to. It's like
Yeah.
it's
So now,
who needs it? Really? Seriously?
yeah, a lot
Pay your bills will be done. But
yeah. Guys,
now they made it so it's hard to pay your freaking bills. It's like, really? It's like, it's ridiculous. I liked it when it was just pay the damn bills and be over with. But now,
kasi po sa 2022 pa lang na bayaran namin, maluluka ka talaga. So, Pilipinas, yung pamilya ko, relax muna kayo. Konti-konti muna yung padala natin kasi grabe. Sa 2022 namin ha, bayarin namin, hindi pa namin kasi na-file. Very, very late kasi yung old accountant namin, hindi nila inasikaso. So ngayon, ang plus late fees pa, right, hon?
we don't know what the late fees are yet.
Hello, we still don't know the late fees.
That'll be another headache.
Hala, to 13, 14, 15 plus late fees. How much? Why you put the credit card to the people? How much this charge you? 2,000
No, 199, 200.
for the what?
For tax. Tax work.
100 only?
200.
200?
Why? Because you used to have me charging me 750.
750. Wow! Our old accountant, mga labs, ang mahal. Watch out, love.
I could be wrong. I understood her say 199. But maybe I'm wrong.
Why you don't let this guy go?
499. Because he's not going. Really? He's gonna sit there and wait till the last second. Look at him.
Hala.
Now he's in the shoulder.
Alam nyo ba, 15,000 ilagay ko dito ha. Plus, wala pa ilabot ang late fees kasi late fees that was 2022. Ngayon, 24 na tayo. So, ito yung gusto ko, oh. This is what I like, oh. This is expensive. Yun yung gusto ko, pero it's expensive. So, hindi ako makapaniwala na ganon ka mahal yung mabayaran namin. At ngayon, magbili na naman ako ng bagong cellphone, o diba? Hindi pa enough yung ating utang bili kasi kailangan ko ng maraming storage sa aking cellphone. So, yun. Nandito tayo sa Spectrum.
Box remote. Is there a way to change the backlight and that thing? Because in the dark you can't see the light.
No, I mean, if you got a new remote, I mean, just unless the light's going out.
So you should get it in a week.
Thank you, darling. Thank you for the
But
phone.
actually, we got a better discount here.
Yeah, but yeah.
That was online when I did it. The first time I did it online, it came
That
up
was-
with that price, and then it changed it. It came up with a higher price. I was like, well,
100, right? This is I can't imagine this is 1,200 for the swap thing. This iPhone is 1,200 swap.
it was originally $13.50.
1350.
I don't know what kind of space I have over there.
Seriously.
I know I had a nice big space here.
Thank you. Ang cellphone ko is sinaswap ko siya dahil the storage of this phone is very low. So now, swap. So hindi ko ito i-keep ang aking cellphone, i-swap siya. Kasi kung hindi ko siya i-swap, it's expensive. So if I'm not swapping, right?
Yeah, no. $2,000 for the phone.
Yeah.
Normally, I'd want to just keep the old phone, but
Yeah.
it's $2,000.
That's
It was bad enough when it was $1,000. Now it's $2,000.
Ayan. Sakit sa ulo kapag daming utang, lalo na kapag gobyerno, IRS ang kalaban. Kasi hindi mo talaga yan malilikayan. Kailangan mo talagang harapin, no? Kapag meron kang kailangang bayaran sa IRS, bayaran. Iniwan na ako mga loves. Suhan. Nandun na siya. Iniwan na ako.